Now offering for sale this GCC Laserpro SPIRIT GX with 100 watt Synrad metal tube. This is an excellent production machine, perfect for an engraving shop or a startup. The heart of the machine is this T100 Firestar series laser from Synrad. It's an air-cooled rechargeable tube, last charged in 11 of 2020. I would estimate it has about 300 hours on the tube since its last charge. Since it's air-cooled, no water chiller system is necessary. This machine has an engraving area of 36 by 24 inches. Part sizes can be 7 inches deep, 40 inches wide, and by any length when the pass-through doors are used. A rotary attachment is available from GCC. This machine can do vector cutting and raster engraving. Excellent for engraving wood or other material and powerful enough to cut through 1/4-inch plywood. The machine has its own print driver, which makes adjustments easy, repeatable, and to the point. Resolution range is from 125 to 1000 dpi. It has standard functions like rubber stamps, black and white, and 16 colors where you can manually set power and speed for each color. Corel Draw is the preferred graphic software used with this system. The included computer is about 2 years old. It's a Dell Intel Core i5 2.9 GHz with 12 GB of RAM. Other items included with the sale are the air regulator dryer used for air assist. Blower system is included. Honeycomb working table used when cutting. The autofocus attachment is also included, although I've had reliably good results from manually focusing using the included rods. An air snoot is also included, which comes in handy when cutting messy material. And best of all is the included range of lenses. One 4-inch, one 3-inch, and two 2-inch lenses are included. One of the 2-inch lenses is brand new. I wouldn't be sorry to see this machine go. This has been an excellent machine, and there are some things that I like about this unit especially. Number one, you can stop in the middle of a run, making adjustments to power and speed. You can open the door if you need to, and then resume where you left off. This is great when you're experimenting with new material. You can manually move the lens to where you want to focus, or push it out of the way when necessary. Most newer machines won't let you do that. Servicing the machine is easy with its flip-top lid. It has ceramic wheels and rails, so no lubrication is necessary. You just want to keep the rails clean. As a habit, I wipe them down at the end of each session. The pass-through doors make loading materials easy and allows you to work with especially long pieces. This unit has 2 fume ports, top and bottom. This really cuts down on fumes in the work area. Probably my favorite thing about this machine is that it's a sturdy, reliable production machine. It's in excellent working condition, but it's a used machine, so it has a few imperfections. Some of the LED lights are burned out, and there are a few scratches on the laser-proof plexiglass door, which are typical for this unit. But all in all, this is a good value for someone looking for a reliable machine.